Hello, YouTube family out there in YouTube land. How's everyone doing? This is Anita of Anita Bryant TV. I want to show you guys a new app. Well, it's not exactly new, but it's new to me that I've been dealing with called Stash Invest. And I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Um, as you know, I have introduced to you already an investment app called Robinhood. So I also want to introduce to you others that I run across. And this happens to be a really nice one. Now, the only difference in this one between Robinhood um, is that it does not let you choose the stock individually. You get them in what I would call clusters or groups, however you want to phrase it. Okay, right now I have $20 invested in it, and I'm going to tell you where those $20 came from. Okay, as you know, Stash does let you um, refer people, and you can earn up to $250 per person that joins you. So for every person that joins Stash Invest, I get $5 and you get $5. You can use that money to buy stock, or you can use it to withdraw into your bank account. But you have to um, attach your bank account to this app, and it's not hard to do. Here you can see you can share from within the app to Twitter, Facebook, or you can hit the share button and choose other choices. But again, you can invest up to $250. Earn up to $250 with this app. I love apps that you can earn from. I love apps that want to show their integrity by giving you money to make money. So they have nothing to lose and you have nothing to lose. They have nothing to hide and we have every reason to trust them. They're giving us money to be great. Okay, and $5, and don't belittle $5. Honor small means. $5 adds up over a period of time and it becomes 250 depending on how consistent you are with your promoting and how fast that you accumulate those $5. Anyway, it's a few months only before Christmas, and I'm quite sure an extra 250 would look nice. Sharing with your family, especially if you have small children. Anyone can download this app. I don't care if you're on welfare. I don't care if you're on government assistance. There's no reason why you should not download this app and start your investing journey. Okay? No excuses, team. No excuses. Here you can see this is my app. You can see my name. You can see all the different um ways that you can go in and play with your app. You got your home here. You got invest where you can go in and make an investment. It also has a tutorial session. You can learn different things about investing, about how to invest with Stash and how to invest wisely. Um, it has your account history, and you can also set up auto investments through your bank. Whether you want to invest $5 a week, $10, $20, it's your choice. Okay, let's see if we can go back to the home page. Okay, here you see where I have $20.16. My first milestone is to reach $100. So far from my investments, I have earned 16 cents. And I'll show you the breakdown of that. Okay, here is a little bit of the breakdown. I have two different types of portfolio. I have moderate mix, and I also have American Innovators. Now, my favorite is American Innovators, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Now, moderate mix, let me click on that real quick. Um, you get a summary here, and you can invest a fraction of what the stock actually costs. Here you can see the average price is $37.68. Um, I have $10 worth in there so far. And the return is in the negative, but it's not like I've lost a lot of money. I only had $10.03 into that. So it's at $10.02 now. And here's an overview of that. Here's a breakdown. You see here where I said clusters or a group. You got a group of different bonds that this is that money is broken down into. So you see here where it's all broken down into small percentages. You can get your performance report. You can find out who owns it, who owns this stock. Okay, and it says 11% of Stash Community owns Moderate Mix. Okay, now, but we're going to go back to my favorite, which is American Innovators. And you're going to see why in just a few moments. Now, this stock is worth $185.25. Now, but I have a fraction of that purchase at $10.14. Okay, let's see the overview. So you're going to see why it's my favorite. And you're also going to see why it's performing so well. Look at the choices that I have. I have a choice of Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Intel, Visa, Alphabet, another former Alphabet, Cisco Systems, MasterCard, and Nvidia. Okay? And again, my money is broken down into different percentages. Okay? But look at those successful stocks. I can buy all of that. All of those stocks for 185 altogether. But right now I'm building up to that. And by investing like probably $5 a week or whenever I get free, like get people to sign up, I get the free $5. So far I've had 2 people to sign up. So that's a free $10 that I have into this particular program. And who owns it? Again, Stash Community owns American Innovators. So whenever you join Stash, especially my team, I have a team on Facebook, and I'm going to drop this video in my Facebook group. So everyone that's in my Facebook group, get American Innovators. So, it's performing well. I love it. Okay, I guess that's going to conclude my video today. I'm going to keep building this up and keep building this up, and I'm going to also keep giving you guys updates on this also. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and also share it with your friends so they can learn how to invest and learn how to marvelous and free ways that they can start their investment journey. Bless somebody, help somebody. That's what it's all about. If you want to join this particular app, I'm going to have the information in the description box. So go to the description box and click on the link inside there and download it to your phone. If you don't have any room on your phone, make room. Anything that has to do with money, make room for it. It's going to be a blessing to you over the coming months. And I'm going to show you. I can't wait till Christmas time till I can show you guys how much of a blessing this is going to be to me. I'm going to withdraw my money, honey, and have a ball for Christmas. So I also want to leave you with this thought. As I'm promoting Robinhood and I'm also promoting Stash, it's just not for the free money. I'm going to always use these apps to invest because they are a true blessing. And another thought that I want to leave you with, think about the $500 that you can get from Robinhood and the $250 you can get from Stash Invest. That is $750 for Christmas or to pay down bills or to take a trip, buy groceries, to invest in new things. Guys, there is free money all around. Take advantage of it and use it. Don't let procrastination stop you and block you from your blessing. Don't let the spirit of laziness stop you and block you from your blessing. Take action and make it happen. All right, guys, I love you. I really, really and truly do. Download this app. Don't forget to like this video if you really liked it. If you really got value and information from it. Subscribe to my channel, baby, so you can stay tuned to some more money news. You know I love bringing it to you. Okay, guys, hit that notification tab on your way out. I love you. See you soon. Stay tuned to the next video. God bless.